For body temperature and regulation, give read to chapter 74 of Guyton and Hall. These are mechanisms of heat loss from the body. These are blood flow to the skin from the body core provides heat transfer, and then give thoroughly give read to these topics, and through radiation, conduction, convection, and cooling effect of wind, and conduction and convection of heat from a person suspended in water, evaporation is a necessary cooling mechanism at very high air temperature. Give thorough read to these topics, and these percentages often come in our MCQs. We were also asked an MCQ from this part of this chapter in our prof. For mechanism of sweat secretion from the body, give read to this topic, and see this diagram. Then come to body temperature regulation and role of posterior hypothalamus. For this, give read to this portion. Posterior hypothalamus integrates the central and peripheral temperature sensory signals. For concept of set point for temperature control, give read to these topics. Gain, its formula. Gain of temperature control system is infinity, very high gain. Give read to these topics mentioned here. Set for understanding concept of set point for temperature control. Give read to these topics: temperature decreasing mechanism when body is too hot, and temperature increasing mechanisms when body is too cold. And often MCQ come from this part: hypothalamic stimulation of shivering and sympathetic chemical excitation of heat production in uncoupled oxidative phosphorylation. It's MCQ point. Then give it a read: increased thyroxine output as a long-term cause of increased heat production. For fever, give read to this topic. Fever, abnormalities of body temperature and regulation. First abnormality is fever. Give it a good read. And then this mechanism is very important: mechanism of action of pathogens in causing fever, role of cytokines. Often MCQ come from this topic. And then fever caused by brain lesions. Give a good read to crisis or flush, heat stroke, and frostbite. And cold induced vasodilation is a final protection against frostbite at almost freezing temperatures. Give it a good read. Then come to functions of skin. Functions of skin are asked in your SCQ prof, and these are not written in guidance, so better is to do these functions from these past papers. This one is functions of skin. It's water balance, excretion of salts and metabolites, regulation of body temperature, general sensations, acid-base balance, absorption of lipid-soluble vitamins and drugs, and synthesis of vitamin D, secretion of water, sebum, milk, and storage of fat, salt, glucose, and water, and protection of internal structures of body from external injury and bacterial invasion. So guys, it is all about your temperature regulation from Guyton, and what was missing in Guyton, I have guided you guys from these past papers, that is functions of skin.